parrot solved a math problem that your child couldn't. When scientists placed 3 trays in front of an African grey parrot, one empty, one with food, one with more food, the parrot chose the empty tray. Not because it was hungry, because it understood 0. The concept of nothing, of absence, of a number that doesn't exist, but does. Human children can't grasp this until age 6. This parrot was 4. And here's where it gets stranger. Scientists scanned its brain during the test. The region that activated wasn't instinct. It was the same region humans use for abstract reasoning. The parrot wasn't guessing, it was thinking. And if that doesn't unsettle you, African greys also manipulate their owners. They mimic voices. They repeat things at the worst possible moment. They remember who was kind to them and who wasn't. So next time your parrot goes quiet, it isn't resting, it's calculating.